2 best organic boosters for massive broiler weight gain in 4 weeks. If you're a broiler farmer, you rear broiler for a short period of time and you want your broiler to get massive weight in short period of time within 4 weeks, this particular video is for you. You want to get the best results from your broiler farming, this particular video is good for you. Watch the video till the end so that you get the best knowledge you can use, the best tricks, the best tips you can use to rear your broiler, so that within 4 weeks you are already planning to sell them. Get the massive best weight, best size, best height and everything. We are treating banga water and fermented potato leaves. If you use these two combined for your broiler, within 4 weeks you are already selling them. If you want your broiler to gain massive weight within 4 weeks using organic method, banga water and fermented potato leaf are 2 powerful options for you. These natural boosters enhance feed efficiency, improve digestion, and promote rapid growth and massive weight without harmful chemicals. In this particular video, I'm going to give you detailed breakdown of each of these particular products and their benefit and nutritional composition that will help you to achieve this particular result. Let me start with banga water and fermented banana and pineapple peel extract. Banga water is an organic liquid extract made by fermenting a mix of papaya leaves, banana peels, and pineapple peels. All these peels, these are waste you gather from your kitchen. It is packed with natural enzymes, probiotics, vitamins, and minerals that accelerate growth and improve feed conversion in broilers. Benefits of banga water for broilers: 1. It improves digestion and nutrient absorption. 2. It enhances protein metabolism for rapid muscle growth. 3. It boosts immunity and prevents digestive infections. 4. It promotes natural sugars for instant energy. Remember that energy is one of the best products that help to gain massive weight in broilers. 5th, it reduces feed wastage by improving gut efficiency. What are the nutritional value of banga water? In percentage, I'm going to give you 1. Crude protein. It has 8 to 10% crude protein. Natural sugar. It has glucose and it has fructose. Glucose is 15 to 18%. It has enzyme, that is the papain, the bromelain, and all these are 10 to 12%. It has probiotics and beneficial microbes, 5 to 7%. It has vitamin C, 20 to 25 milligram per 100 milligram of it. It has minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and zinc, 5 to 8%. How to use banga water for broilers. Now, watch and make sure you follow the steps. Mix 20 ml of banga water per 1 liter of drinking water for your broilers. Give to your broilers daily from 2nd to 4th week for rapid weight gain. Every day, consecutively, please. You can also spray on their feed to improve palatability and digestion. You can as well mix if you want to give them weight feed. Please, anyone you mix, make sure you give it to them immediately. Don't keep it till the next day. Next one is fermented potato leaf. After harvesting your potato, the leaf is not a waste. Please keep the leaves, ferment it. When you ferment sweet potato leaves, it makes it rich in protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. Fermenting them enhances their nutritional content by breaking down complex fibers and introducing beneficial microbiotics that improves digestion and feed conversion. Benefit of fermented potato leaf for broilers: 1. It enhances crude protein for muscle development. It improves gut health and digestion. It boosts immunity and antioxidants and vitamins. It contains natural antibiotics and prevents infections. It enhances meat texture and weight gain. Nutritional value of fermented potato leaf: crude protein 22 to 25%. You can see it's very high in protein. Ordinary feed alone is between 21 to 24, but this is 22 to 25% crude protein. That is to tell you the high protein content of the potato leaf. It has crude fiber 10 to 12%, essential amino acid like lysine and methionine, Lysine and methionine are the 2 micronutrients that is needed for poultry to grow. It has 5 to 7%. Probiotics and lactic acid bacteria, it has 6 to 8%. It has vitamin A, 8 to 10% per 100 gram. Now, how to use fermented potato leaf for broilers? Chop them into pieces. All the leaves, gather them together, wash them, chop them into pieces, and soak them in water with molasses. If you don't have molasses, use our bio booster, Eco Bio Booster. This is a probiotic that can enhance fermentation process. This Eco Bio Booster can enhance fermentation process. The liquid probiotic, which is already fermented. It has a lot of microbes that help to ferment. Yeah, listen. If you can't get molasses, then if you add molasses 5% and yeast, all these things, add little molasses, yeast, or Eco Bio Boost. Keep them for 5 days to 5 to 7 days, depending on the temperature. If it is during the hot period, you keep them 3 to 5 days. If it is during the cold period, keep them 5 to 7 days. They will ferment properly. Then you mix it with your commercial feed if you are using commercial feed. But if you are preparing feed in your own farm, use that your feed and mix it thoroughly. Mix them thoroughly. I'm going to see how you're going to mix it thoroughly. Then drain the fermented liquid and mix it with broiler feed at a ratio of 30%. Feed daily for rapid weight gain in 4 weeks. Feed them daily. Once anyone you mix in that day, make sure you don't keep it the next day. Feed them within 24 hours. That's what I'm going to do. Banga water and fermented potato leaves are 2 powerful organic solutions that can help broilers achieve massive weight gain in just 4 weeks. They are natural and cost-effective and improve overall bird health while reducing feed cost. Implementing these organic boosters will ensure faster growth, better immunity, and high-quality meat production. Try this organic method today and watch your broilers grow bigger, faster, and fatter, and at the same time healthier. Please, if this video interests you, drop your comments on the comment section and give this video a thumb up. Please always encourage our videos by giving it a thumb up and drop a positive comment. If you have any question regarding this particular topic or any other topic I've ever treated, please drop it on the comment section. Even the ones I've not treated also. If you have anything bothering you in poultry and livestock, drop it on the comment section. I will always answer your questions. I'm very good in responding to your questions. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Once you subscribe, activate the bell notification so that anytime an update is released from this particular channel, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified. If you don't activate the bell notification, there's no way they can send signal that a video is uploaded. But once you activate it, once the video is uploaded, you will see an alert that a video is uploaded, and then you can watch the video and gain knowledge. Please, if this video blesses you, give the thumb up, share the video to reach more farmers in all your platforms, all the social media handles. Share it to other farmers. That's the only way we can improve poultry and livestock farming. Thank you for watching this video till now. Till I come with another interesting topic loaded very soon. Don't go far. For now, I say bye.